Hello, this is Sunday and I had my procedure done on Tuesday, so Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, day 5, and I'm really beginning to feel a lot less swollen and generally sleeping better and feeling good. I can only commend the professionalism and safety element that Dr. De Silva's took, and the care that he took in sewing me up, and the wonderful work that he's done. So all in all, doing well, feeling good, and really excited to see the end results. Don't know if you can see my neck, which is obviously much more enhanced, and my other side. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.